Tajan, I have to confess, I saw you over by the tent.
Yes.
You guys were singing a Sanchez. What was the Sanchez you guys were singing? Cause I'm missing you now. But you're not giving me the shoulder. Hey.
Said it gotta be crazy, cause I'm missing you, my baby. I'm missing you now.
Listen to me, is this the first time entering Digicel Rising Stars?
No, I come a couple of times, but last week, Saturday, I come and Anthony turned me back.
Yeah, what did he say? What was his advice or what was his comment?
He didn't make any comment, he only said no.
So are you going to perform the same song that you did last week for the judges or have you changed it?
I've changed it.
Alright, what song have you selected?
Get it, no want it.
Alright, I love that song. Give me a little piece. And perform it like you are in front of Anthony, Alaine, and Conroy.
He's never satisfied, no matter how hard she tries to make him feels like a king. She stays home alone. I wish I had someone like.
All right, sir. Just twin. Thank you very much.
No, I like your voice. I say yes to you,
Sing another song.
Another song, but don't pitch it so high, not so high.
Yeah. Come on, I need to call my baby and find out if she's at home. Cause I'm feeling right. I wanna be wrapped up in her arms tonight. Alright, I wanna lay her down.
I wanna
lay her down.
Alright, stop.
Cause I'm in the mood.
Thanks.
Don't you say I'm rude.
Say hi to her for me. Thanks. Next.